Chismis muna tayo. Actually, last night. One balls po. Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel, and for today's video, we're going to do unboxing of this trick and stick or trick stick. Actually, I bought this in the self-service shop in the camping area. It's the first time. Anyway, we're just living very near. And before we're going to do unboxing, to those who haven't subscribed, please to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're updated to all the videos that we're going to share. Anyway, yeah. Back to the story, chismis muna tayo. Ang game na to, I was looking online because I was planning to buy new toys online. And I saw it actually last night. I wanted to order it, but of course, I don't. And we went today because Anbas need some Biola, what else? Oh, nantok na siya. Storytelling, nantok siya. Actually, to cut the story short, nagulat ako meron doon. Pero binili ko agad. And same price lang siya online. So,
Dami itong toys.
there's some toys actually because it's a camping place, right? So camping place, they always have something like this: cards, playing cards, Uno, Monopoly, that kind of game. Because you know there are also campers who have children and they always looking for something they can play. But today we're going to unbox this because me and Stephanie will also play. And this is how it looks: trick stick. And there you go. And let's open. It's just, I think they have 3 more left there. And oops, what's inside the box are, we have this. They have 3 colors. We have, oh, this 1, 2, and balls and a dice. And of course, wait, it's stuck. The manual is supposed to be, hello. There. The manual menu. Are you okay? Manual menu. Are you okay? Manual. So, manual and instruction on how to play this game. And we have the colors actually. So this is a game for 3 people. That's the back. I take this one. We have 3 colors. This is the sticks. Because we're going to take this out later. And Stephanie assembled this. Wait. You have to put it truly together. There you go. And this is the things coming out. You know why? Because you're going to take it one by one. This. Oops. You'll see. Like that. You take yours. But this is a game for you and me and Anba. So, if we only like that. And you can do that, Stephanie. And we have this. You see, we do unboxing at the same time, playing with it. So, we can have, you can place it. You can place it every once. So, you can play it. Whatever you go this way. Just make sure that you are going to make the balls drop. So, here I go this way. And more on that. And I have 9. No, even like that, Stephanie. But we have way. So, we can do this. And we'll try this also. And this one, you can also use as a a comb. Wow. This is nice. Let's say on the top. And on the top. It's like to put this. I don't know if you use that. Balls from. Okay, please. So, we now, I'm sure how. You know, I think we can also this way. Then we make it cross over. Yeah. And last. Lastly, we're going to do like this. And we have how many colors? Different colors of marbles. Like this. We have yellow, and we do this way. And we do black balls like that. This right. Make sure that no balls will fall down. Right. And let's do that. So, yellow. This is how to do this. Okay. 1, 2. Yellow. Here the dice. We roll dice. Of course, like this. And then use. Yeah. Yes, I know. First roll the dice, and then take the color blue, orange, blue, and green. Then you pull, if it's color blue, you pull any blue stick. And be careful, because we don't want any balls falling. Because if there's any balls falling, the person who have a lot of balls will be the loser. The one who have little balls is the winner. That's the rules of this game. So let's try. Kitty? Mine is blue, right? So I will pull a blue. Blue. I will try the blue. Roll dice. Okay. Another blue. Be careful. You should not move this one. You should only go around and because if you move, the balls inside there will also move. Green. Green. Mine. What are you putting? Orange. That is not yellow, that is orange. That also orange. I got blue. Blue. Like what I said, don't move this. You can just... No. Yay! Orange. Like I said, Cutie. Oh wow, she got orange. And mine? Orange too. One ball fall. One ball fall. This is the game thing. I just told you, don't move this. She got the balls. The balls. Green. The green. I think the green one will be a lot better. Yeah, your turn. Oh, orange too. Mine will be orange. Oh, alright. 2 balls already. Going to be serious game. Red. I know, orange. 3 balls. Green. Green. Oh my goodness, the green one is really under. Maybe I try this. Have you seen something green? I go that way. Perfect. Orange, one more. Orange. Blue. I take the blue. Wow. Oh my god. I think if you hit something, then nothing, right? You pass, it's your turn. I think so. I will do another, one more time the blue. Oh my. Blue, guys. And one drop, the rest will fall. Then I will take this. Oh my, I get it right. That's the reason we have to do this carefully. Blue. Blue. Take the blue, baby, and drop all the balls, baby. What shall we do? 3 balls. And green. Oops. Supposed to be timer. Blue, nothing. But it's only the green, right? Yeah, I'll take the green. Then. And I am the winner. Never mind. So that's how we play a game, guys. This is really nice, and especially it's perfect for today that is holiday, it's Easter. So most of the time, families stays at home, or they are in a cabin, or in a camping place, or in the mountain, and they do this. They play. This is one way of bonding, and this is one of the traditional thing here in Norway. So thank you so much for watching. A really nice game, right? You like it, Stephanie? How you like it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, you can.
Let's put it how you like it, yeah? Hi guys.